In addition to extender modules, you can equip your Draco vario chassis with the 8-port compact matrix. Draco Terra Enterprise and Draco Terra Flex matrix switches have their own chassis. Add a matrix switch to your project. All existing Draco Terra Compact and Flex versions are listed here. You can just select the required model. Here it comes fully equipped. To configure a Draco Terra Enterprise matrix, first choose your chassis size. Add cadex and fiber modules. You can type in the number of duplicated modules and any other modules like controller boards or power supply. Simply copy modules by pressing the Alt key and move it to the desired place. Even equipped matrix chassis can be changed to smaller or bigger ones. Just drop in the preferred size and your selection of modules will be transferred to the new model.